Finding the courage to change, doubting my doubts. When I was little, I knew that I had a higher power. But then I left home and met a whole bunch of people who didn't believe in God at all. I wanted to please my new friends. So I began to describe myself as agnostic. I agreed to doubt my inner knowing. I was already doubting my ability to understand others anyway. Maybe my belief in God really was childish, wishful thinking. So when I found the 12 steps, I really was agnostic. I didn't know what to think about having a higher power. The chapter for We Agnostics in the Big Book of AA helped me to become comfortable that there was room for my doubts in the 12 steps. As I've wandered along my path of self-improvement, I've had many twists and turns. I heard an AA speaker ask his audience, "Do you believe that I believe? Then just hold on to that for now." Slowly, I became willing to listen for guidance, and it didn't take long before I noticed that I was receiving guidance. It might be a song, an advertisement, a book, an overheard conversation. I started saying little prayers. Once I was stuck behind a very slow driver. I took a deep breath and sent them a blessing. "Lord, may this driver get to where they're going quickly and safely." The driver immediately pulled over and out of my lane. Today, I know that I'm part of something greater than myself. Nothing can come between me and my higher power. It's been there inside me all along. I'm an extension of source energy.